Hello my lovely Aquarius, how are you doing all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, Aquarius. Okay, so this is your bonus messages for December 2020. For December 2020, I hope I help you out in some manner. Please take whatever is resonating according to your situation and condition and leave the rest, because it is not going to resonate with each of you. Please check your sunshine, moonshine and Venus sign. Okay, and let's start your bonus love messages. And please excuse the sound. Let's see what are the messages which are important to deliver. Please help me out to deliver the messages which are important to deliver. You guys, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me, help me out to deliver the messages which are important to deliver. What are the messages? So the first message for you is Aquarius, that show the world real you. Full moon in Aquarius. Show the world real you is the first message for you. Then there is nothing is yet in stone. Okay, so nothing is yet in stone is the second message. A time for healing. Some of you have to heal right now. So a time for healing is the message. Then there is be bold and make the first move. Okay, you have to make some kind of move, Aquarius, and there are some adjustments are required. So there are things in which you need to do some kind of adjustments. Let me see any other message. Meditate and contemplate. Okay, new moon in Pisces. While shuffling I was seeing this message. Okay, luck is on your side. New moon in Sagittarius. Okay, your hard work is paying off. Okay, let me adjust my camera. Okay, now you can see more. Any other message? A win-win outcome is forecast. Full moon in Libra. Okay, then you and your loved ones are safe. New moon in Cancer. And hold your vision. Hold your vision, Aquarius. That are the messages for you. And the signs which I am seeing right now here is Aquarius, Pisces, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Libra and Cancer. Okay, so Pisces, Sagittarius, Aquarius, Capricorn, Libra and Cancer. So these are the signs which I am seeing right now for you. Let me see what are the messages. Thank you so much, Moonology deck, for giving the beautiful messages to my Aquarius. Sorry Aquarius, today I'm not well, so my energy is low, a little bit low. But I can't skip your reading. I have already skipped a lot many times and I know you always wait for it. So today I am trying my level best to complete your reading. But it can be possible that my energy is low today. So let's see what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius all over the world. Help me out to deliver the messages. Devil is there for sure. You have already uploaded your reading and I have got devil in that too. So there is some devil energy around you. Please stay safe and stay away from that kind of energy. So first message for you is luck. You are right to be strong and optimistic about the opportunities ahead. What is happening with my camera today? It's not okay, so luck is on your side. You do not have to worry at all, Aquarius. Okay, the next message is Phoenix. Be prepared to be renewed after a period of crisis. So get ready, Aquarius, to renewed basically. Okay, the next message is unity. Some of you Aquarius are reconciling with your divine counterpart. So a time of divine understanding, renewal, peace and hope. You radiate and attract great love. So unity is there. Okay, then there is flowers. Be generous. Success and emotional fulfillment are yours. So flowers are there. Then there is judgment. Soul searching will bring inner peace to many areas of your life. Okay, then there is a devil. So please take care immediately to avoid any temptation and deceit. Okay, and the last message is wish. Your heart desire is coming to true. Okay, it's ready to come to true. So that was the message for you. Wish fulfillment is coming your way. Okay, let me use this deck and see what are the messages for my Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages which are important to the Aquarius. Please help me out to deliver some kind of message. Some kind of message? All messages which are important for my Aquarius. Traveling is the first message for you, Aquarius. Some of you are going to travel, or the travel card. This card also means that you are going to start a new chapter in your life, a new journey of your life. Okay, so traveling is there. Help me out to deliver ordinariness. So be ordinary as much as you can, because the beauty is in ordinary way. Comparison. Do not compare, Aquarius. There is something in which you are comparing yourself with others. So comparison is there. Go moment to moment. Go moment to moment. Okay, take one step at a time, moment to moment. And the success card is there. The success is coming your way. You do not have to worry at all. Okay, any other message? Please help me out to deliver. Beyond illusion, right? So there is something in which you did not even think. There is something which is your beyond illusion and which is very beautiful coming your way. Okay, any other message? Maybe right now you are thinking that your aloneness is feeling, some of you are feeling very alone. Okay, 5 of Cups is energy is there. But don't worry, Aquarius, you are getting transformed. Transformation is there. And transformation is always beautiful. It is, this process is not, you know, you will not become butterfly in one day. Okay, the transformation will take place, and the transformation is happening for you, and it's happening for your betterment. Okay, there is a Tower movement again. So something is shaking up your life. Divine is intervening in your situation. Things are falling apart so that you can get to know, you can get up again. Okay, any other message? Yeah, you're getting breakthrough. You're getting breakthrough. You're getting breakthrough of something by this Tower movement. Can you see these powerful cards? They are 3 powerful cards. You're getting transformed. Aquarius transformation is taking place. The Tower movement is there, and you're getting breakthrough of something. Okay, you're getting a breakthrough in something, and there is an intensity understanding. Okay, so yes, we know that universe knows that you do not feel alone, Aquarius. Okay, you are not alone. There is something in which there is lot of intensity is there, and don't suppress your feelings or yourself. Suppression is there because the change is coming your way. Change is happening for you. Okay, the change card is there, and change is always good. And bottom of the deck is inner voice. So listen to your inner voice, and that will help you, that will guide you very good. Any other message? Okay, any other message? Any other message? There is something in your consciousness. Okay, do not use and listen to your consciousness. Today I am unable to talk. Actually, I'm on medicines, but let's see, let's complete your reading fast. Past lives. There are some connections around you which you are connected from your past lives. There are past lives connections around you. Past life connections are those in which you both have spent lot of time, lot of lives together, basically lot of time, lot of lives together. You or someone else has spent lot of years together. So there are some past lives connection around you. So these are the messages for my lovely Aquarius. Thank you so much for giving the messages to my Aquarius. Let's add some animal spirit. Let's see what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius. I saw wasp spirit, life stings. Let me see. What are the messages? Please help me out to deliver the important messages which are important. Please give me the messages which are important to deliver. Help me out. Please guide God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy. Help me out to deliver the important messages. So first message for you is koi fish spirit. There is always enough, right? So there is a message for you that there is always enough. Then there is pig spirit. Use your mind wisely. Okay, Aquarius. Turkey spirit. Give with gratitude and grace. Okay, give with gratitude and grace. Horse spirit. Freedom is yours. Okay. Then there is antelope spirit. Life is speeding up. Okay, life is speeding up. Dolphin spirit is there. This and that are true. This and that are true. Mouse spirit. Tend to the small things. Tend to the small things. And there is a spider spirit. Make your dreams true. Make your dreams real. Okay, make your dreams real. That was the messages from the animal spirit. Thank you so much, animal spirit, for giving the messages to my Aquarius. Let's add some numerology deck. What are the messages which are important to deliver? Help me out to deliver the messages. What are the messages? There is something which is there in music. Okay, you can listen to the music. Maybe there is a message in the music. Let me see what are the messages. Help me out to deliver the messages. Help me out to... Okay, there are two. Again, the change card is there, bottom of the deck. I'm having change. So Aquarius, there is a change coming for you for sure. Okay, you do not have to worry at all. There is a change which is coming for you. Okay, so first card for you is domestic harmony. So domestic harmony is coming your way. Then there is teaching and learning. Okay, the next message for you is leadership. Then there is individuality, happy ending. That's why I'm telling you that there is something karmic cycle. You are completing some kind of cycle. There is something which is ending in your life and change is coming your way. So happy ending is happening. You have to take care of your health. Health is there, and I can relate this message to myself too. As I'm not good well at all. Okay, so there is synchronicity is there. So there is something which you can see your synchronicities. Okay, then there is a relationship change. So relationship change is coming your way. Effort and time out. Okay, you're putting lots of efforts in something, and time out is all about that. Right now you are working so hard, so take some kind of time out from your busy schedule and spend some time for like taking a break basically. Okay, so the numbers which are important for you today are 3, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, 3, 5, 6, 7 and 8 are the numbers which can be important for you. Okay, so these are the messages from numerology deck. Thank you so much numerology deck for giving the beautiful messages for my lovely Aquarius all over the world. Let's see what are the messages from this spell casting deck. Help me out to deliver the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius. New beginnings. Okay, new beginnings are there. So please help me, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, to deliver the messages. Psychic abilities, you're getting your third eye open. Okay, help me out to deliver the messages. Courage, you need to keep your courage with you, Aquarius. And there is a healing message. So healing is coming your way. So you have to do a healing, and healing is coming your way. There is something. Okay, the career and the love both is coming. So healing is coming in your love life basically. The love is there and the career is coming. The career is there. Any other message? Family, 10 of Cups energy. Okay, beautiful messages in this deck for you today. Okay, and there is a good luck for you. Wow, love is coming your way. Career is going good, Aquarius. Wow, bottom of the deck I'm having transformation. Yes, that's right, you're getting converted into, transformed into a butterfly. Okay, so butterfly is there. Forgiveness and compassion. So you have to forgive yourself and forgive others. Okay, Aquarius, who have hurt you in the past, forgive them as soon as possible. So these are the message from this deck. Let me see any other message. Talent. Yes, you have to use your talent. You are full of talents, Aquarius. You are getting your blessings from your spirit guide, and trust yourself, trust the universe. Okay, trust is there, spirit guide is there, and the blessings are there. So you do not have to worry at all. You are getting your blessings from the spirit guide. Peace is coming your way. Okay, let me see any other message. Good luck is on your side. Love is there, the career is there, good career is there. Truth and commitment. Okay, so there is a commitment here which you're getting your commitment. Okay, and you're getting the truth about your commitment maybe. Okay, so these are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius all over the world. Thank you so much, spell casting deck, for giving the beautiful messages for my Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from Quantum Oracle deck. What are the messages? What are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius, which I need to deliver all over the world? Help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy. Wow. Bottom of the deck, I am having true love. So there is a true love for you. Why I'm saying this? Because there is a loving man and happy success. So happiness and success is coming your way, and there is a loving man which is waiting for you, which is your true love. There is a true love for you. Okay, true love and the loving man, both are there. Okay, yeah, there is an increase. So there is an increase in your life, Aquarius. There are very positive messages right now today for you in this. There is an increase in your love life. Okay, there is an increase in everything surrounding you. You just have to keep your courage with you. Okay, because the present power and the family is there. So you are receiving some beautiful messages in love, increase in family, increase in present power. So something is increasing in your life, and that's very beautiful, because love is increasing, happiness is increasing for you. Thank you so much for giving the messages to my Aquarius. Let's add some message from Vintage Oracle deck and see what are the messages. And I'm going to close it out after this. Help me out to deliver the messages which are important. You are getting your blessings from your ancestors, Aquarius. I'm getting the message here. I just saw while shuffling. The union is there. So yes, you are getting your divine counterpart, reconciliation, union. Okay. What are the messages? Help me out to deliver the messages. What are the messages? Help me out to deliver the messages which are important to deliver. Release. So release anything, any past hurts, anything which you think that you need to release. So release as soon as possible. Shadow self. Yes, you have to work on your shadow self. That's why there is a release. So work on your shadow self, Aquarius, and release as soon as possible. Abundance and nature. So go in the nature, and the abundance is there. So you are already abundant of everything. I always told you this. Okay, go in the nature and have the message, and kindred spirit is there. And again, I'm having new beginnings for you. So new beginnings are there. There are some kindred spirits which are there for you. Okay, any other message? See, this was the card while shuffling. I was seeing it, and now I'm seeing it again. I got it again for you. century is the message for you, and there is an ancestors card. So I was while shuffling, I was seeing it. You have the blessings of your ancestors, Aquarius. You do not have to worry at all. Your ancestors are blessing you. Okay, they're giving you blessings. And the next card is the choice. You have a choice here. There is something in which you have to make your choice. So these are the messages for you, my lovely Aquarius. Thank you so much, Vintage Oracle deck, for giving the messages to my Aquarius all over the world. So this was your bonus love messages for December 2020. I hope I help you out in some manner. I hope it will resonate and it will help you out in some manner, Aquarius. Okay, please like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all the messages. And let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Till the time, take care of yourself, my beautiful magical beings. Sending you lots of love and light and happiness to all of you. So see you soon, Aquarius.